What should diabetic patient avoid in their diet? Well, they need to consult dietitian at least one time. It's very important that you take at least one time consultation with the diabetes. And food rich in sugar should be avoided. You have a balanced diet, more protein and some fat and complex carbohydrate. And amount of calories, amount of the food, and obviously diabetes is a something you have to stay in touch with the doctors. You may have to take some medications also. So you should eat anything rich, once again answering, anything rich in carbohydrates, the pure carbohydrates or like sweets and like pure sugar, etc. The complex carbohydrate should be okay, but then again you should have a dietitian consultation at least one time. Discuss your dietary habits with the dietitian and they will help you.